In today's video, I'm going to show you the one secret line that you can add to your cold email campaigns to take your meeting book rate to the next level. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe down below and smash that like button for more cold email content. Welcome to Cold Email Hub. I'm Alex Berman, the author of Cold Email Manifesto, and inside the book, we talk about how to create the ultimate cold email campaign. We've generated millions of dollars in sales with these tactics, and it's a superpower. You send your emails to pitch your service to people that don't know you, and it's one of the easiest, best, fastest, and cheapest ways to grow your SaaS or your agency, services business, software business, whatever you're selling. It's one of the fastest ways to do it. So what is that secret technique that will take your cold email campaigns to the next level? It's called the one-sentence case study. And in order to show you what that means, let me show you an email that has personally made us over $1 million. This is the email script that we talk about in the book Cold Email Manifesto and also inside of Cold Email University. Subject, quick question. Hi Jackson, been following Fuzz for a while and love your work. Awesome job with Rockefeller Center. I specialize in finding new clients for web and app developers. Recently, we helped Dom and Tom, an NYC-based developer, bring on McDonald's and close an extra $1 million in 6 months. Can you take on more clients at Fuzz? Let me know and I could send over a few times to chat. Thanks, Alex. Now, this email has all of the 5 parts of a cold email campaign. Subject line, custom compliment, case study, call to action, and signature. But we want to talk about that middle part of the hamburger today, which is the one-sentence case study. And in this email, it is, I specialize in finding new clients for web and app developers. Recently, we helped Dom and Tom, an NYC-based developer, bring on McDonald's and close an extra $1 million in 6 months. That's the one-sentence case study. So if you say the right case study, the right person, the deal is already booked. Now, why does this work? Well, first of all, we set the stage. I specialize in finding new clients for web and app developers. Now they know exactly what I offer. New clients only for people in your niche. Then the case study reinforces this. So recently, we helped Dom and Tom, which is an agency that they all would have known in this space. It was one of the most loud agencies at the time because I was running the marketing for it. And you know, whenever I run marketing, I'm making sure that everyone knows who we are. So then they knew who Dom and Tom was, an NYC-based developer if they didn't know. So NYC also adds credibility. So they're in New York City, which is the biggest city in the United States, might even be the richest city in the world. So we're helping a New York City developer bring on McDonald's, which they also know, and close an extra $1 million in 6 months, which is a number that gets them interested. So all of that comes together to improve this cold email campaign, and that is why we were able to make $1 million or more off of this one cold email. Why am I sharing it with you if it does so good? Because I'm kind of retired from the cold email agency space now. I focus mostly on growing our SaaS companies, which is LeadShark, our lead gen database. And so we've kind of moved on from this model, but it's still very useful. And this is exactly something that we use in all of our cold emails today, which is the one-sentence case study. I just show you these examples so that you can use this if you want to grow your agency. So let's break down what that case study looks like. Recently, we helped company get result in time using your service. So with that in mind, let's go through a few more examples so that you get a better understanding of how you can use these in your cold email campaigns. Because when I talk about case study, I don't mean a long website or a multi-page PDF that shows exactly what you've done and all this stuff. All I talk about when I talk about case studies in the cold email is exactly this. So here are some more examples. We helped Sony increase sales by 150% in a week using automated outbound campaigns. Company name, results, timeline, process. We helped a publishing company book 24 more meetings in the last month using omni-channel outreach. Company name, results, timeline, process. We helped an e-commerce brand reduce no-show appointments by 30% this quarter using automated reminders. We helped Google book 300% more meetings for Google Calendar in 6 months using automated outreach. We helped a small business in the US land their first Fortune 500 meeting in 2 days using our app. Company name, result, timeline, process. That's all you need in order to write a rock solid case study and take your campaigns to the next level. If you want to learn more about lead generation, have me help you out weekly on live calls, and be part of a community of awesome people, then join the private group at email10k.com. It also comes with full access to all of our courses on growing a business, so check that out at email10k.com today. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.